not a recording. We tend to imagine memory as a recording, a camera, a hard drive, faithfully playing back the past. Neuroscience says otherwise. The brain slices our day into separate individuality-wrapped event packages. And when we remember, we are not opening a save file. We are reconstructing it from a blueprint every single time. The index, not the file. Here's how the blueprint is made. Our sensory cortex processes the raw sights and sound. They pass through the entorhinal cortex, the front door of memory, into the hippocampus, the project manager. The hippocampus does not hold the memory itself. It builds an index, a record of which regions of the cortex lit up during the experience. To remember is to send that index back out and make the cortex replay the pattern. Every recall is a rewrite. And there's a twist that every teacher should know. Because memory is reconstructive, the moment we bring one under the spotlight of attention, it turns soft and moldable again before it rehardens. Scientists call this reconsolidation. Recall is never neutral. Every act of remembering is quietly a rewrite. Tafakkur, Tadhakkur, and the parallel. This is exactly where two movements of the method do their work. Tafakkur, contemplation, look for the pattern, the relationship, the underlying schema. The prefrontal cortex supplies the script, the framework that let new details attach to something. And the Tadhakkur, the quiet, the outer eye, and rebuild the thing within, is reconstruction made deliberate. This is a beautiful parallel worth naming carefully. Sufi thinkers describe this as al-Mithl, an isthmus, a barzakh, where meaning takes on form so the mind can work with it. I offer that as a mirror of what neuroscience calls reconstruction, not as the same claim in two languages. They resonate between a spiritual image and a physical process, each honor its own domain. Rewiring, physically, LTP. And it is physical. When neurons fire together during active rebuilding, they release glutamate that pops the magnesium gate off to the NMDA receptor. Calcium rushes in and signals the cell to build new proteins and grow dendrite spines. This is the long-term potential. We are quietly, literally rewiring. The close, which is why passive rereading is close to useless, and why we ask our students to close the outer eye and rebuild the concept in the inner sight.